Keepers, Max and Max's models. I hope everybody's having a great morning. I got the stuff I need, the foam board and everything, to start making the box for the simulator. Remember I said I was going to turn the C-57D cockpit area into like a training simulator for the Starship, or the Flying Saucer, whatever you want to call it, Star Cruiser. And I got the stuff I need to make the legs and the walls of the simulator. And I might mount it on that Lazy Susan so you can rotate it around. I'll see. But that'll get me started on that as soon as I get a chance to get to it. But that's the plan for that. We'll see how things go with the C-57D paint job. I kid you not, there's a part of me that just wants to go ahead and camouflage that thing up and turn it into some sort of, science fiction battle wagon. But my wife was like, nope, it's a movie flying saucer. It's got to be shiny and new looking. And while I'm at it, there's one other point I thought I would cover. I said some of these boxes, like the Sky Raider and the GT4, had all kinds of stuff in them. Like, for example, Sky Raider had so many leftover parts. I thought about bagging them to put them in storage, but then I realized I'm running out of storage in the boxes that I have for all my scraps and spares and stuff that's left over. And what I might start doing is, when I get models like the Sky Raider, for example, that have so much stuff left over, I might just go ahead and leave them in the box and put the boxes over here with the where I keep all the spare stuff, instead of trying to find a place to put it. Might be easier to organize it if I just leave it in its box. And because, quite frankly, I'm starting to fill up the other shed with empty boxes. I hate to throw them away, but I'll probably end up doing that with a bunch of them. And okay, guys, we'll talk at you later. I hope you have a wonderful day building models. Take care of yourselves, and as always, model on.